Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee, and today I am going to discuss about fixed overhead cost variance. In my earlier videos I have I have shown some problem, I have solved some problems on standard costing, material cost variance and fixed overhead cost variance. So in continuance to that, today I will solve another problem on fixed overhead cost variance.
Problem. So you have budgeted data and actual data. Number of working days budgeted 25, actual 27. Production in units 20,000, 22,000. Fixed overhead rupees 30,000 and this is budgeted and actual fixed overhead is 31,000. Budgeted fixed overhead rate is rupee 1 per hour. In July 2012, the actual hours worked were 31,500 hours. Calculate the following variances: efficiency, capacity, calendar, volume, expenditure and total overhead variance. In this problem, budgeted hour has not been given. In budgeted hour, BH is equal to budgeted hour. So it is not given. You need to find it out. You need to find how you can find it out. So budget standard rate, it is mentioned. So SR means standard rate. Now standard rate is equal to budgeted. Now this is rupee 1 per hour. So but this is equal to budgeted cost by budgeted hour. So budgeted cost, it is given as 30,000. So this is budgeted hours. So therefore budgeted hour BH is equal to 30,000 rupee. This is the budgeted cost divided by standard rate per hour, rupee 1 per hour. So this is equal to 30,000 hours. So budgeted hour we have found out to be 30,000 hours and budgeted standard rate is given as rupee 1 per hour. So these are the two parameters. Then you need to find out the third parameter, which is the standard hour, SH. So this is standard hour for actual production, standard hours for actual production. You take some time to understand what I have done right now. Now, in order to find out the standard hour for actual production, you need to find out the actual production, so which is given. So actual production is 22,000 units. It is given in the question. Now what is the standard hour for 1 unit of production? Standard hour per unit of production means what is the time required to produce 1 unit of output, standard output. So budgeted hour per unit of output, budgeted hour per unit of output is equal to budgeted production divided by budgeted hours. So this is budgeted hours by budgeted production. So what is the budgeted hour? We have found out to be 30,000 hours, and budgeted production is given as 30,000. This is in hours and this is in unit. So this is equal to 1.5 units per hour. 1.5 unit per hour. So your standard hours for actual production will be 22,000 is the actual production, and standard hour required for 1 unit of production is 1.5. So this equal to 33,000 hours. So standard hours, third parameter we have found out. What is the fourth one? This is your actual hour, which is given actual hours. So actual hours is 31,500 hours, and actual rate is basically actual rate is equal to actual cost. In my previous video I have told you that you need not to find out the actual rate if you can avoid it, because we are more concerned with the actual cost. Actual cost is actual rate into actual hour. So actual hour, actual cost by actual hours. So this is equal to rupees 31,000 divided by 31,500 hours. And actual cost, it is given in the question, actual cost, it is given in the question to be 31,000. And the sixth one is RBH. RBH means revised budgeted hours for actual working days. Now this is equal to budgeted hours by budgeted working days into actual working days. Now RBH arises why? Because if there is a calendar variance, that is budgeted working days and actual working days differ. In this question RBH you need to find out, that is revised budgeted hours for actual working days. So your actual working days is 27. So 30,000 is your budgeted hour for how many days? For 25 days. For 25 days your budgeted hour is 30,000. So if your actual hours is 20, actual working days is 27, so what is your revised budgeted hour? 32,400 hours. This means for 25 days, 25 working days, you require 30,000 hours. So for 27 working day, your budgeted hour will be changed to 32,400. So these are the 6 parameters that you need to calculate when you are solving a problem on standard costing. Standard costing, fixed overhead cost variance. So in one sheet I have tried to show you. So budgeted hour you need to find out. It is not given clearly. So from standard rate you need to find out what is the budgeted hour. Then your actual production is given. You need to find out the standard hour required for 1 unit of production. For 1 unit of production, what is the standard hour required? We have found out to be 1.5 hour. So you need to multiply this 1.5 hour per unit into 22,000 unit to find out the actual standard hours required, that is 33,000 hours. Then actual hours you have found out 31,500, it is given. Actual rate no need to find out, and your actual cost is 31,000, and revised budgeted hour is 32,400. Students are requested to note this solution in your notebook. Try to give some time, devote some time to understand, to analyze these 6 parameters, and then you proceed to find out the actual variances. Fixed overhead cost variance is calculated by the formula standard hour into standard rate minus actual hour into actual rate. I just put the values of standard hour and standard rate and actual cost. So this actual hour into actual rate is the actual cost. So 31,000 is your actual cost. So 2,000 favorable is fixed overhead cost variance. Fixed overhead expenditure variance is calculated by the formula BH into SR minus AH into AR. So 30,000 into 1 minus 31,000 gives 1,000 adverse. Why adverse? Because your budgeted cost or standard cost is more than actual cost. Fixed overhead volume variance SH into SR minus BH into SR. 33,000 into 1 minus 30,000 into 1. So this gives 3,000 favorable. So fixed overhead volume variance has three more sub variants. One is capacity, calendar and efficiency. Fixed overhead capacity variance is calculated as AH minus RBH into SR. AH is 31,500 hours, RBH is 32,400. So this gives fixed overhead capacity variance as 900 adverse. Fixed overhead calendar variance is calculated as RBH minus BH into SR. So 32,400 minus 30,000 within bracket into 1. So 2,400 favorable. Fixed overhead efficiency variance is calculated as SH minus AH into SR. So 33,000 minus 31,500 within bracket into 1. 1,500 favorable.
I've been able to understand the problem that I have solved today on fixed overhead cost variance. You can see the videos that I have posted there on standard costing in my playlist. I request all the students of commerce who have viewed my channel to subscribe to my channel. I will be giving regularly updating various problems on costing, financial management accounts and other subjects. Thank you.